Have you heard the hype about rosemary oil for hair growth? People online claim it can transform thinning hair, regrow bald spots, and give you thicker strands naturally. But does rosemary really live up to the hype? Or is it just another viral trend? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into the science, benefits, and best ways to use rosemary for longer, healthier hair. Why rosemary works for hair growth. Rosemary isn't just a cooking herb, it's a powerful natural hair stimulant. The magic lies in a compound called carnosic acid, which helps repair damaged nerves and rejuvenate hair follicles. When applied to your scalp, rosemary oil improves blood circulation, allowing more nutrients and oxygen to reach your hair roots. This process wakes up dormant follicles, strengthens existing strands, and can even promote new hair growth over time. In fact, a 2015 study found that rosemary oil performed just as well as minoxidil, the main ingredient in Rogaine, after 6 months of consistent use without the side effects. Key benefits of using rosemary for hair. Here are the top benefits you can expect when using rosemary regularly on your scalp and hair. Stimulates hair growth. Rosemary boosts blood flow to the scalp, helping new strands grow stronger and faster. Reduces hair thinning. It strengthens the follicles and reduces hair fall by preventing them from becoming weak or inflamed. Improves scalp health. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties keep your scalp clean, reducing dandruff and buildup. Prevents premature graying. Regular use may help darken hair naturally and delay early graying. Adds shine and volume. Rosemary smooths the hair shaft and enhances your natural shine, leaving your hair looking fuller and more vibrant. How to use rosemary for hair growth. Now let's talk about how to use rosemary effectively for hair growth. Method 1. Rosemary oil massage. Mix 5 to 6 drops of pure rosemary essential oil with 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil like coconut, olive, or jojoba oil. Massage it gently into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes using circular motions. Leave it on for at least 2 hours or overnight for deeper absorption. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Method 2. Rosemary water. Rinse boil a handful of fresh rosemary leaves in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Let it cool completely, strain, and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your scalp and hair after shampooing and let it air dry. No rinsing needed. This acts as a leave-in treatment that keeps your scalp refreshed and nourished. Pro tip: combine both methods. Use the rosemary oil before washing and rosemary water as a post-wash rinse to maximize hair growth results. When to expect results. Consistency is everything. You can expect to see noticeable improvement in thickness and texture after about 2 months, with visible growth and reduced shedding in 3 to 6 months. Remember, natural remedies take time but offer long-lasting results without damaging your hair. So, if you're serious about growing your hair longer and stronger, rosemary is a simple, powerful herb that can truly transform your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried rosemary oil or water before. I'd love to hear your experience.